Hi, in this recipe I will share how to make a honey glazed chicken at home. Let's start with the ingredients. I have 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons crushed garlic, 2 teaspoons black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons salt or as needed according to your taste. I am using little over 1 kg boneless chicken. Use a fork and poke it in. Chicken breast is a little bit thicker, but if you want to use the thinner slices, cut the chicken from the middle. While grilling, it will also take much lesser time. Put black pepper and a salt, garlic, and mix all ingredients. I mixed all the ingredients. Now pour the oil on the top. Let it marinate for 30 minutes and after that I will start to grill it. I preheat skillet. I'm using 2 tablespoons butter. Now put the chicken on the top and grill on a medium heat for 10 minutes one side and 10 minutes for the other side. If you have a thinner pieces, it will take might be 7 to 8 minutes for each side. It's been almost 10 minutes. Now change the side and grill from the other side too. For thinner pieces, you probably don't need to use a turner to press the chicken down. But if you are using the whole breast without cutting it from the middle, you probably need to press it from the top so it will be well cooked. Chicken is completely grilled. Now I will make a sauce. For sauce, I need 2 ingredients, honey and soya sauce. I am using 2 tablespoons honey and 2 teaspoons soya sauce. Put soya sauce in honey and mix it together. Now this sauce is ready. Apply the sauce on the chicken with a brush and after that change the side and cook only for 30 seconds. If you cook more than 30 seconds, the taste will become bitter. Meanwhile, apply the sauce on the other side and grill it this side for 30 seconds as well. Remove the chicken after 30 seconds. If you have some vegetable, you can grill those vegetables in the skillet as well. I turned the heat to full and grilling onions, bell pepper and tomatoes. I will grill it for 1 minute and after that it will be ready to serve. It's been almost a minute. Now remove it from the skillet. If you like the video, do not forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.